My name is Kevin Matthews, CEO of Scott Barder, a global manufacturer of adhesives, resins, gel coats and specialty polymers. We are now at the start of May 2020, and I thought it would be helpful to reflect on the last few weeks living with the impact of coronavirus or COVID-19 and our expectations for the coming months. Scott Barder recognised the potential impact of the virus early on and put in place actions to strengthen its supply chain in February. We judged that the crisis would evolve through three phases. Phase 1, supply chain disruption due to government actions, lockdowns and border restrictions. Phase 2, capacity restrictions due to supplier and customer closures and individuals self-isolating. And then finally Phase 3, which was emergence from this lockdown into an economic downturn. Over the last 8 weeks, we have navigated our way through Phase 1 and most of Phase 2, and we believe we are now beginning to emerge from the lockdown period. Scott Barder went into this crisis in a financially resilient position, and albeit two of our sites in South Africa and Canada were closed due to government action, and our other sites in the UK, France, Croatia and Dubai have reduced activity, we have continued to trade and support our customers throughout this period and continue to maintain a strong and healthy balance sheet. Indeed, we have even launched a new product line used as a thickener for hand sanitizers to address shortages during this time. We are working with our customers and suppliers to ensure the cash flows through the supply chain for everyone's benefit. The unique employee ownership structure of Scott Barder results in a medium to long-term focus, and so we continue to invest in our business and our people through this crisis, supporting our colleagues who've been impacted by closures, etc. We have also developed robust plans that help us maintain appropriate health monitoring and social distancing whilst at work to enable us to operate at full capacity. I have been extremely proud of the flexibility and can-do attitude of our teams in responding to customer needs, which have been extremely volatile during the last few weeks. And we have continued to work strongly with our customers to help them continue to operate. Scott Barder now stands ready to support our customers as we come out of this crisis, to emerge stronger together. And I look forward to meeting you all once we're able to travel again. Thank you very much.